Our journey began on a cool Friday morning in western Pennsylvania. We met up with two other teams, both driving Honda Civics. We decided to cruise out to South Bend, Indiana for the start of One Lap of America. There's Cast Monkey Garage. This is gonna be epic. There's Jim Bob.
Popping a boner yet, Jared?
Oh, nice.
Half chub, full chub, 3/4 chub.
How you feeling?
This is pretty cool.
How you feeling?
Once we arrived, we had to go through registration and then get the car tech inspected. And then my favorite part of the whole trip, putting the stickers on. I'm Brock. I'm Jared. I called you a few times.
I know that.
Spent a relaxing Friday night at the hotel, mingling with other teams and getting ready for tomorrow, along with a motivational speech from the legend Brock Yates Jr.
Welcome to the 36th time we've run this silly event. We'll have some fun. I appreciate all of you showing up. It's a great year. Got a lot of nice cars. Please keep them looking as good. So we've got some seriously fast racetracks. We're probably going to see some weather. It's going to take a lot of maturity, which obviously this field doesn't exhibit a lot of. You're here. You know me, not another thing you put on your resume.
What's up, muscle car people? Spraying Muscle Cars. I'm TJ, Jared. We're here at Tire Rack, ready to do one lap.
Event number 1, wet skid pad. I'll be driving later in the afternoon. TJ will be doing the autocross at the SCCA sponsored event. Here's some Air Force Base. Feeling pretty good right now. Just had one of my heroes sign the roof, so that's pretty awesome. lot of cool people here, a lot of cool cars. Tire Rack alone is just awesome. But should be starting in a couple minutes here to the wet skid pad. Awesome measurements.
But it's moving right on. Now the only thing we have to do is we have to drill the holes a little bit bigger.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Ready to get slippery?
Yeah.
Getting up there, get the picture taken.
So 0.755 is the
Here's car number 61, Jared McCahan, Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Keith A. Brillhart, North Pennsylvania. And Kelsey Moore, Lewiston, Pennsylvania. It's a Pontiac G8 on Vulcan tires. The sponsor is Brigand, Muscle Cars, Motocross, Black Rifle Coffee Company, Gentlemen's Driving Club, Camel Guys, Slow Sally Stickers, and Things EPC Brakes. Team name is Brigand.
I guess I did not great on the skid pad this morning, but it was fun. I was real nervous about getting lost in a circle, but I didn't. Got 0.63.
Something like that.
Yeah, so not a great score, but you know, it is what it is.
And what did Brock get in the minivan this morning?
Better than me.
He got a 0.62, so you did better than the minivan on all seasons.
Anyway, we're on our way to Grissom Air Force Base, where TJ is going to hopefully make up some points in autocross. The car felt pretty good though. It didn't understeer as much as I'm used to on smaller tires, so I think we'll do all right in autocross this afternoon, maybe get some points back. But yeah, got an hour of driving to go. See you at autocross.
Bringing Muscle Cars back again for autocross. Today I am driving the one lap G8. We're hoping to, my goal is to try to
Battery died.
All right, guys, we're We're done with autocross. We are, I don't know, we're somewhere in Ohio right now.
Somewhere outside of Sandusky, Ohio.
Yeah, autocross went really well though. TJ did great. Placed 42nd overall out of 75 cars. That puts us into 60th overall after 2 events. That doesn't mean anything, but
our goal for the trip is our car number 61, which means Brock thought that at the beginning our car would place 61st out of the field of 75 cars. So as of right now, we are 1 spot ahead of where Brock Yates thought that we should be, which is our goal to beat that 61 spot. So I think we're doing all right. Jared, don't be so hard on yourself about it.
Yeah, I didn't do well in skid pad. I'll admit that. I took it easy, just feeling it out. And it's real short. It's 4 quick laps of a little circle. That's all you get. Grissom was incredible.
That was awesome.
I wish that was not hours upon hours away, because it's an epic place to autocross.
It was a nice big lot. The autocross is over half a mile, which was really actually pretty cool. So lots of speed, maxed out second gear just about, so probably over 60, 70 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So it was a lot of fun.
Got lost coming in, averaging 15 miles to the gallon, which is terrible, but yeah. Our next stop is back to our home state of Pennsylvania to sleep for the night, and then Nelson Ledges will be next episode. See you then, guys.